In this video, we will take a look at how you connect our range of wireless PIR detectors, in this case our curtain detector, the BXS, to the Texacom Ricochet BGR01. First, open the sensor unit and remove the BXS control module. Now set up the dip switches on the Ricochet transmitter to communicate with the BXS. Set dip switch SW1 and SW3 to on. Now connect the blue and purple wires, the treble output, from the BXS to the BGR01. Next, take the power and alarm wires from the BXS control module, the black, red, white and yellow, and connect these to the BGR01. The BGR01 is now ready to be powered and you can insert the battery. You can now put the BGR01 back into the back box of the BXS and reinsert the BXS control module. Configure the dip switches on the BXS according to the site requirements. When complete, you can place the cover back onto the BXS unit.